Cans of plastic buzzing through the breeze, over amber waves and rustling green trees. I see the patchwork quilt the fields below, colors bursting where the rivers flow. High above the harvest glow, chasing shadows I don't know. Autumn eyes in the sky, painting gold where the earth lies. Through the lens I feel alive. Autumn eyes in the sky. Cows like specks on a green tan sea, fences winding like a melody. Oh. Forest whispers in a fiery lit blaze, dancing leaves in a smoky haze. Up here the world feels slow, down there the seasons show. Autumn eyes in the sky, nudging seasons say goodbye. Through the clouds I drift and glide. Autumn eyes in the sky.